What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to give voice-based command on Gemini AI. So let's just get started guys. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to be in this particular platform, let's say Gemini's platform, Gemini AI platform, and then you can get started from here. So as you want to let's say give voice-based command on Gemini AI, what you'll be doing is just go to this bottom line over here. You'll be having two options. So instead of using upload image, you're gonna use microphone option. Press on it and it will ask you to confirm or let's say allow or block. So just allow it and you can let's say talk. Tell me. So let's do it again. Tell me about football. You can press enter after that, after you talk. And then this is the result guys. This is how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So that's pretty much. Thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also, if you have any queries, you can always comment and ask us. So I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.